In this video, we are going to look at how to install extensions in Antigravity IDE. If you want to get more out of Antigravity, extensions are the way to do it. They let you add new features, connect your favorite tools, and speed up your workflow without ever leaving the editor. So it's really easy to add them. Firstly, you want to open your Antigravity IDE, and on the left-hand menu, you should see all of those icons, and you want to find this extensions icon. And here, if you click on it, you will see all of your installed one. And also there are some recommended ones, but if you want to find, for example, specific one, you can search for it. So I can type Claude Code and we can install this Claude extension for VS Code. So if you click on install over here, you want to trust publisher and install. And now it's going to install this extension and you can start using this in Antigravity IDE. Once this is installed, you can see you have option to disable or uninstall. And you can also check auto update, so it will update the extension automatically when the update is here. And now to open this extension, you can find icon over here or on the left hand side menu as well. So you can see I have this Claude Code and I can open it and you can start using this. So you will need to have pro plan on Claude and you want to sign with your account in order to start using this. So I already have my account connected, but if you do it first time, you will need to connect it. And if you want to find your extensions, you can go back to this extension icon and you can see my Claude Code over here. And sometimes it might ask you to reload. So you can see I have this number 2 over here. So 2 extensions require restart. So what I have to do, I have to completely quit my Antigravity and I have to open it again. So I'm gonna open it again. And now we should, every extension should be working. As you can see, we don't have this notification anymore. So everything should be working and you can install basically like some kind of programming language extensions like Python, you have C, and that's all for this video. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.